guys, and welcome to this Wednesday edition of Second Grade News. Today is Wednesday, August 26th, 2020. Please stand and join Raymond as he says the Pledge of Allegiance to get our morning started.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all.
Awesome job, guys. I just want to take a minute to congratulate you guys and say how proud I am of you guys for how awesome you did on your test yesterday. You guys rocked the reading portion, and I cannot wait to see how well you guys do today on the math portion. Remember, there are no math groups today as you will be taking your math portion of the Critical Standards Assessment from 1 to 2 if you have not done so already. So, let's kick it over to my next segment, which is another video of what you're reading Wednesday. I have a fun book I want to share with you guys. The book that I would like to share with you guys today is called A Frog in the Bog by Karma Wilson. And my family loves this book because of its rhyming scheme, and it's so fun. It's a counting book and a rhyming book, but then it also has a very funny ending and a surprise ending when the log that the frog is sitting on in the bog turns out to be something not quite what the frog was expecting. So this is a fun book that is written by Karma Wilson, who, if you have ever read Bear Snores On or Bear Feels Sick, any of those books, those are also written by Karma Wilson. So this is just a fun book that your family could read, especially if you have any younger siblings. They really love this book as well. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I know they probably have copies of it at the library, or if you would like to borrow one of Miss Gates' copies, I'd be glad to lend one to you. And don't forget, I would love to hear your book recommendations for next week's What You're Reading Wednesday segment. So if you are reading a cool book or you have a cool book at your house that you want to share with us, shoot a quick video and send it to Miss Gates, and you will be featured on the news next Wednesday. All right, so today in reading, you guys are going to be listening to a follow-up story for Edward the Emu called Edwina the Emu, and it's a cute book about Edward and Edwina, the emus from the story at the end of Edward the Emu story. So it's super fun. It's got a fun, catchy rhyme scheme, and it's got a fun surprise ending as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed that book. We're also going to be studying the short O sound in phonics, and then in math, we're going to continue working with showing numbers in different ways by using a strategy called finding a pattern. So you guys are going to do great today on all of your assessments. I hope you enjoy your reading story, and I cannot wait to see you guys in reading groups. Let's go ahead and do calendar, and we will be done with the news for this morning. Have a great day. Let's get started with calendar for this morning. Remember, we always kick it off with our Days of the Week song. So here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Great job. So if we remember, yesterday was Tuesday. So if yesterday was Tuesday, then that makes today Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. Very good. So yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's look at our months of the year. So we know that we are currently in the month of August for a few more days. Let's spell the word August together. Here we go. A-U-G-U-S-T. August. Very good. Now, let's get up and moving, get that blood flowing. We're going to sing our Macarena months. So here we go. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Great job. All right. Now it is time for you to try to figure out what our mystery pattern piece is for today. So remember, our pattern is purple square, blue rectangle, purple square, blue rectangle, purple square. I want you to pause your video and draw your shape and color it in the correct color, and then unpause and see if you were correct. So go ahead and work on that now. All right, let's see if you were correct. So I know that yesterday was the 25th, so today is going to be the 26th. And if you drew a blue rectangle, you are correct. Very good, guys. So today is Wednesday, August 26th, 2020. All right, let's go ahead and add to our hundreds chart. So we know that yesterday was the 12th day of school and we wrote the number 12. Today is going to be the 13th day of school. And if you look, our pattern has continued. There's a 3 in the ones place. There's a 3 in the ones place. So I'm thinking that all of my numbers in that column might have a 3 in the ones place, but we'll have to wait and see. Today we need to add another 1 cube to our hundreds, tens, and ones chart. So on your calendar, you're going to color in another square, 1 to represent a ones cube. All right? So now we still have that 1 10 rod, and we have 1, 2, 3 ones cubes. So make sure that at the bottom of your chart that you have a 1 in the tens place and a 3 in the ones place to represent the number 13 for the 13th day of school. All right, let's add another penny to our pocket chart. So remember, you're going to slide it in. We're going to slide in 1 penny. Let's say our chant. Penny, penny, easily spent. Coppery, brown, and worth 1 cent. So remember, this is worth 1. So we're going to stick our penny into our pocket and let's count. Remember, we start with our biggest coin that we have so far, which is a dime, or the most valued coin, which is a dime. And to figure out what it is worth, let's say our chant for the dimes. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So we know that this dime is worth 10. All right. So just like our 10 rods, we're going to count by tens when we see a dime and ones when we see our pennies. So here we go. We have 10 cents, 11, 12, 13 cents. So today we have 13 cents, or we can say that we have $0 and 13 cents. Okay? Let's go ahead and go around the clock. We're going to add 1 more minute to our clock and see how many minutes we have now. So remember, every time we get to one of the big numbers on our clock, we can count by 5s. So here we go. We're looking at our minute hands going 5, 10. We can't count by 5s anymore right now, so we have to switch to 1s. 10, 11, 12, 13. So right now we should have 13 minutes colored in around our clock. And if we said that our hour is 1 o'clock, it would now be 1:13. All right? Let's go ahead and move to our pattern of the day. Remember, we're still counting by ones for a few more days. We're going to count by ones, and today we're going to start at a little bit of a bigger number. We're going to start at the number 66. All right? So I want you to go ahead and pause your video, and you are going to start at the number 66. So we know that that goes right here. And we're going to count by ones, okay? So go ahead and pause your video, fill in your pattern, and then come back to see if you were correct. All right, so we have 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So if you have that your answer is 75 in your chart, kiss your brain. You did a fabulous job today. If not, go back and figure out where you might have messed up, and you can fix that in your binder now. All right. Thank you guys for a great calendar lesson, and I will see you guys during small groups today.